I am back with another put it together with me video. That's what the hell I'm gonna call it this time because I can't think of anything else. So my chair came in and this is looking like right here before I put it together. So I actually have some stuff to do today. I had to go run errands and be an adult and carrying on. So I thought that in order to cut down on the time in this video, I could just go ahead and take everything out of the box and show y'all real quick and we can go from there. So really, I can just go ahead and start putting this stuff together. I'm gonna show y'all the directions like I did the last time and we're gonna go from there. So let's go ahead and get started. I think this is significantly easier. Well, the desk wasn't that hard to put together, but I think it's just like less parts to put together. So this should be like a 10 to 15 minute video tops. So let me go ahead and stop talking so damn much and go ahead. So these are the directions that they're gonna send you. Now it's not a booklet like how it was with my desk and stuff like that, but you know, directions are directions. So yeah. So that is it for putting my chair together for the most part. I just have to put these two little cushions on here. And let me see. I'm gonna recline it a little bit. That's good. And then I personally like my chair all the way up. Okay, all the way up like this. So that's cool. Now I'm hoping it's not going to be too much trouble to roll it across the floor and stuff like that. I'm going to go ahead and attach these little guys right here. And then I'm about to go get something to eat because I decided to have a late start today and I'm hungry. So all you do, actually, let's probably do this part first. Just take these two little bottom pieces right here and stick them through the back of the chair. And just bring them out the back like this. I think y'all should be able to see it. It looks like it's showing up on the camera. Then you want to just take this and they stretch. So you just bring them down like that. And that's one. Okay, and then you're just gonna do the same thing on the other side. I did get my chair from Amazon as well. It was also like $100 and something, $100 and some odd dollars. I'll look it up just to see the exact price. The thing is, this little chair vibrates. Okay, so I am. Should I demonstrate it? So it has like a little USB thing to be able to plug it up so that it vibrates, because it's supposed to massage like your lower back, and that's kind of like what the last chair I had did. It did massage your lower back and stuff when you plug it in. So usually if I'm on my computer, I'll just go ahead and plug this into the computer and get my little back massage like that. So, and then this is the headrest right here. So you're just gonna bring this through the loop up here as well. And then you're going to secure it in the back. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you put together this gaming chair. I'm not having any problem rolling it across the floor or anything like that. And let me see. It is comfortable. I might let the back part back a little bit more, but like I don't want to be leaning too far back. But it is comfortable, and it does move pretty easily. So that, along with my desk going up and down, I can adjust for comfort as necessary. So I am happy with my purchases from Amazon. I'm gonna turn my computer on real quick so that way I can plug it up and show y'all the vibrating part. So we're gonna bring it around my computer, well, my laptop anyway. My laptop is right here. And give me a second, I need something to drink. Okay, so I had to go get something to drink real quick because I am parched and whatnot. But anyway, I'm about to go ahead and plug this in. I don't know if y'all are gonna be able to hear this because the vibrating part isn't that loud. Oh, just kidding, yeah it is. Let me see. And so you can adjust it, like you can move it up and down and stuff like that, to whatever part of the back or whatever part of your back that you want massaged and stuff like that. The only thing is, this cord is not that long, so you know you're not gonna be able to go way across the room and stuff like that. But like if you're gonna be sitting at the desk, you should be just fine. Other than that, I'm happy with the choices I've made. Everything is comfortable. My desk is working just fine. And yeah, I'm about to go ahead and get out of here and go be an adult for a few hours because I got some business to go handle. And yeah, that's it. Y'all have a good day and like, comment, and subscribe.